Hey guys, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today we have another Deramores yarn haul. I know I've been going a bit Deramores crazy because I'm just obsessed at the moment because they have such good deals and you can save so much money. I spent £30 this time. I think I spent around £30 last time, and I managed to get quite a lot of cotton yarn. And yeah, I used my Derapoint discount thing, so I managed to get like £10 off, and then I had to buy some more yarn so that I could get free delivery, because basically when I took the £10 discount off, that meant that I couldn't get free delivery. So I was like, I might as well pick up some other colours in this yarn just to see what the colours look like in real life, because this yarn on the website, it can look a bit different to what it actually is. Wait, did I say? It looks different to online, and I've bought it before and I've hauled it before in a video, and I bought some more because I've started making a project, a really exciting project that I'm not going to tell you guys too much about. If you guys have joined the Discord, you would have seen a picture of it already. I'll show you as well. This is the project that I'm working on at the moment. This is like trial and error. I need to tweak it a little bit to get the design I want, so yeah, this is just like testing it out. Yeah, this is a super exciting project and it will be its own video because I'm so excited, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it a secret from you guys, but I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. Oh yeah, and I completely made up this motif on my own, so it's my design, and yeah, so yeah, let me show you the yarn that I'm using. So I bought a lot of it because I don't actually know how much I need of it, so I just bought a lot just in case. And anyway, if I have leftover yarn, hopefully I do have leftover yarn, I can use it for other projects. So yes, let's show you the blue first. So it's this, oh, is that too bright? Rico Design Creative Cotton. I don't know, it is so bright. Let me try and turn the light down just a smidge. Can you read that label now? Sort of. Okay, let me try one more. There we go. And I don't want it to be too dark, but it's very bright on the label. Anyway, I hope you can see that. It's the Rico Design Creative Cotton DK. These are tiny little 50-gram balls. You get 115 meters. They're 100% cotton, and yeah, it's really nice and soft. So yeah, I wonder if you can guess what I'm making, but it's gonna be a piece of clothing. That's a little hint. So yeah, I'm using this for clothing. Almost said it then. But yeah, this is the blue colour, and this one is called, it's light blue. Yeah, I don't know if telling you the prices will be helpful because obviously mine is reduced a bit. But yeah, I bought 6 of these and it came to £6.43, but I believe, sorry, I'm just looking at my iPad down here, they are £1.89 usually each. But yeah, if you have Derapoints and you buy more than 10, you get the 10% off discount, so I think it's a really great deal when you buy a lot of it. And I specifically needed this for a project, so I was like, I'll just get loads and then use my discounts to get it cheaper. So yeah, what did these work out to be? Like £1, like £1.7, £1.8 each, which is really good. I know it's only 50 grams, so really it's like £2 for 100 grams, but it's cotton and it's really soft, so I'm really happy with it. So yeah, got 6 of those. 2, 3, 4, 6. So 6 of the light blue. I'm so confused on why it's so bright on the yarn and then it's dark everywhere else. I don't know what. I hope you can see that alright and it's not too bright. So yeah, 6 of them. And then I got 5 of the natural colour, because those are just the petals, so I figured I'd need a bit less than that because the blue and the green I'm using for the like motif join as you go round and also the centre. So I thought I'd just pick up I can't pick them all up at the same time. 5 of the natural colour, so again it's the exact same thing. Creative Cotton by Rico Design DK, 50 grams, 150 meters. It says 6 degrees wash. Yeah, so I found out that with cotton you can wash it at really high heat, so they say it's good for babies and toddlers and stuff. So yeah, 100% cotton, you can 60 degrees wash. That's crazy. But I'd probably hand wash these things because I want to be gentle with it, even though you don't have to be, but anyway. So yeah, I got 5 of the natural colour. And yeah, 5 of those was £5.36. So yeah, I don't know how it all works out, but anyway. And then for some reason, the green, the mint colour, came in a bag, which is weird because everything else came loose. The bag was open, I'm pretty sure, so I don't really know. Maybe they just grabbed it from the warehouse and it was already like this, so they were like, oh, just chuck it in. So yeah, this is the mint colour, super nice pale mint colour. Yeah, so I've gone for a very pale colour scheme. Yeah, blue and green, a lot of people don't think that they should go together, but I really like this colour combo. Let me know what you guys think of this colour combo. I really like it. So I got 6 of the mint, same as the blue. Oh yeah, my wig. This wig is from Unzi. I've worn it in a few videos, but I can't believe how natural it looks. Like, it genuinely looks like my natural hair because it's very close to my real hair colour. I think it's a little bit lighter, and it's hardly shiny, and I've got artificial lights on me right now, no daylight whatsoever, and it just actually looks real, and I love the waves in this hair. This is not a wig video, but I'm just just thought I'd let you know because some people always ask, you know, I really like your hair, and then I always comment like, it's a wig from this place. So yeah, I thought I'd mention it in the video, be like, this one's from Unzi. If I still have the, yeah, I'll find a link if it's still on the website, and I'll have it in the description. Okay, so then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other colours that I just randomly picked up, because I wanted to, like, oh, very bright again. Like I said, the website, the photos look very different to real life, so I thought I'd pick up the colours so that I could see them for future projects. So yeah, let's just get into them. The first one is this bright orange. Oh my goodness, it's showing up neon on the camera. Yeah, on the website, let me have a look at it. Yeah, on the website it looks like a nice muted earthy orange. I wonder if I can show you from, see that type of orange was the orange I was going for. It still looks quite bright. Ooh. But it looks like a burnt orange on the website, and it came and I saw it in the bag and I was like, no, it's bright neon orange. I mean, with the right colours matched with it, I think it could look quite nice, but it's very neon, definitely not me. But yeah, hopefully I can find a use and find some colours to go with this, because it would be a real shame to not use it. But yeah, this is called orange, but it really should be called neon orange. Yeah, that is like a pumpkin neon Halloweeny orange. So yeah, orange, don't really know about this, but yeah, again, all the same yarn. I just bought this yarn this time. So next colour we have is this pastel pink. I'm gonna stay on the website because I need to see the colour differences. Yeah, oh no, that's candy pink. Oh, candy pink! I have that. I hauled this last time, candy pink. Oh, it's so annoying because they don't have the colour names on the label, they just have numbers for the colour shades, which is really, really odd. So, this is, I'm pretty sure, candy pink. Maybe I'll just have a screenshot, or like, I'll put here what the website claims it looks like. I mean, I think that's I think my camera's picking up the colour pretty true, even though I've got lights on and everything, but it is a pretty bright pink, and I thought it was going to be a muted pink. But yeah, this is the one that I hauled last time. And this is the pastel pink. Look how light that is. Oh, I think the pastel pink is... Oh no, pastel pink is on the website. Oh, and it does look very light on the website actually. So this one is pretty true to the website. It looks very, very pale. And it is very pale, I guess. So yeah, that one's actually spot on. Anyway, moving on. Another one, sky blue, on the website looks turquoise. And this is bright turquoise. Again, neon. What is going on? Why are their photos so like desaturated? And that's the actual colour that I want. I don't want these bright colours. I mean, it's still really nice. Yeah, very, very bright. So yeah, this one's called sky blue. I mean, all the brights look nice together. The orange is just too bright for me. I don't know. Maybe I'll just pair it with like really... Oh, no, I don't know. Okay, next up we have pistachio, I think. Yeah, pistachio. This one's pretty true. I mean, it looks... Yeah, this looks pretty identical to... Oh, there we go, we got better lighting over there. Pretty identical to the website. So yeah, pistachio, really like that colour. Yeah, what can we pair these up with? I don't know. Might have to pick up every single colour so that I have the whole spectrum, so I can, you know, mess around with colour palettes. Because yeah, you've either got these like really pale muted colours, you've got these bright colours. Oh dear. Okay, that's the pistachio. Then this one is... Let's see. I don't know which one. Ah! That's the right. This one is teal. Yeah, that's a pretty spot on teal colour. I think it's out of stock, and on the website it's like a very grey. Again, very muted on the website. I have a picture here. Very muted on the website, and in real life it's a brighter teal. But I like that, so not too upset about that one. Again, it would be nice to have that colour too from the website, from what you can see from the website, but yeah, that's the thing with buying yarn online. You don't know the actual colour and you don't know what it feels like. So yeah, I'm definitely missing going to stores and actually buying yarn in real life. Okay, last two, I got royal blue. Yeah, this one's royal blue, and again on the website it looks a lot more muted, and like I'd say like all the photos look, yeah, like more muted and more dusky. Just a lot less saturation. In real life it's really saturated, and if that's like what you like, if you really like poppy bright colours, this would be perfect for you, because you'd be like, oh, it's a nice surprise. But for me, I much prefer muted colours. I still quite like a pop of colour every now and again, but it was definitely a shock to see all these colours be really, really bright and not the muted versions on the website. Anyway, I'm rambling on about this for too long. But yeah, that's the royal blue, which is not a well, it is a royal blue, but I was thinking it was going to be a deep, dark royal blue. And then the last colour is Alga? I think that's how you say that. On the website it looks like an emerald green. In real life it's more of a teal, which I like. I like this colour a lot. Probably a bit better than what is showing on the website, so I'm happy with that one. But again, bright teal. Let's put it with the one that was teal. Oh wow, they do look pretty similar on camera. This one just looks a little bit more green toned. Yeah, those two are pretty close actually. And yeah, nothing like the photos on the website. So yeah, that is my very odd and shocking Deramores yarn haul. I'm still really happy with the yarn. It's so soft for cotton, so honestly, like if you're looking for a DK cotton, 100% cotton that's soft, definitely go for this one. It's really good. But yeah, that is it. I always film videos kneeling, and now my feet I cannot feel at all. Yeah, again, I'll show you my little whip. Yes, added another project to the whip pile. I actually wrote a whole list of all my whips today just so I could get myself organised, and there are 10 whips that I have put on pause. So I'm definitely going to, after I've done a few things, I am definitely going to focus on just getting those whips done and not starting any new projects until those are all done and out of their boxes. So that's going to be exciting. I'm going to definitely film the progress because some of them are tutorials that I want to make and some of them are just random projects that I want to just like show you guys. So yeah, busy. But yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Please comment down below, you know, what you would do with these and what you think of these bright colours. But yeah, please, I don't know. Oh yes, I should mention, I already mentioned it already about the Discord, but if you want to join the Discord server, I'll have the links probably in a comment or in the description, I don't know yet. Oh yeah, my battery is running out, okay. So yeah, join the Discord, follow us on Instagram, TikTok. I'm still posting pretty regularly now the mood blanket over on my TikTok, so you can see the progress on there. Anything else to mention? I think that is everything. But yeah, again, thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you in the next one. Hope you're having a lovely day. Happy crocheting. Bye!